Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you what I got from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, which I think is still going on, and then I'm going to show you a couple other random things. So I'll start with the random things. I don't know about all of you, but I use a ton of hand sanitizer. Even before the pandemic, I always like to carry one with me. I like to keep one in my car. And during the pandemic, I actually found this one I really loved in Target. And I've seen a bunch of influencers that use it as well. And I think the reason we all love it so much is because of the shape of the container. So it's from a company called Touchland. And I did find them in Target, but I haven't been able to find them lately. So I finally went online and I went to their website and I bought a bunch of them. They were having like a buy 10 get one free, so I did that, and they come in all different fragrances. There's, let's see, what is this? There's this is maybe a green apple, and I know there's some citrus, and I think that there's maybe a, what is this one? Power mist. So yeah, this is lemon and lime. This is Power Mist. This one is Citrus Grove. This one is Vanilla Blossom. So I got enough for myself and for my mom for a while so that I don't have to order again. I mean, 10 of them, 11 of them should last a while. And then they also sent this case, I guess because I ordered so many. So they're just in all different colors, and I love them. They're very thin, and you can fit them in your bag or in a makeup case. So in fact, I'll open one so you can see. Here, so you can see how thin it is. It's really thin, and it's only a couple of inches tall, and it just fits really nicely in like a pocket of a bag, like an outer pocket or an inner pocket. And then you just push this on top, and it just sprays, you know, right into your hand. So, and it smells really nice. So anyway, if you're looking for really like compact hand sanitizer that's gonna fit in even a really small purse, this is perfect. So, okay, so that was one thing. Not exactly luxury, but fits in your luxury bags. So then the next thing was, I wanted to share this scarf. A friend of mine was just in Italy, and she knew it was my birthday, so she picked this up at the Firenze Museum, which is the museum in Florence, and it is a Botticelli. Botticelli's The Birth of Venus. So I haven't opened it yet, so I just thought I would do that on camera so you can see it together. I'm trying to incorporate scarves in my wardrobe more, so I'm very excited to have this. So let's see. Oh, that's very pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna wait if you can see it. Can you see? Can you see? There's Venus, and it's very pretty. It's a long scarf. It's not a square scarf. But it's really pretty, and it is, I think it's 100%. It says 100% of viscose, made in Italy. So I think that is probably viscose rayon, maybe. Although, yeah, I'm not sure. It feels like silk though, but viscose I think means viscose. The packaging says, what does it say? What does it say on the package? And it's in Italian. But anyway, very pretty. So I thank her very much for that. I love it. Love it. It's just nice when friends go to faraway places and bring you back something. It's kind of a little extra special. Okay, so now what I got from Nordstrom's. So I picked up something from Nordstrom's that wasn't part of the sale, but it was just a fragrance that I wanted. I love Jo Malone, and last Christmas, I got the Jo Malone Advent Calendar, and this was one of the fragrances that was part of it, and I absolutely loved it. So I wanted to get a full size. And it is Wild Bluebell. It's a very nice scent, and I like using different scents every day. It just, depends on what I'm in the mood for. I do like several other Jo Malone scents. I love Pomegranate Noir, and I love Grapefruit, and just a few others. And this is just one that I really, really like. So there we go. So that I got, unfortunately not on sale, but I figured as long as I was ordering from Nordstrom, I would get this. Okay, and then what I got from the anniversary sale. So before I open this, let me just tell you that I usually start my Christmas shopping in August. I just find that it creates so much less stress. And usually, if I'm lucky, I'm finished by October. These days, I don't have tons of gifts to get. Years ago, I used to have more family that was still with us, and so I would buy a lot more. But no matter how many people you're buying for, it's kind of nice to just get this done early in the season. So, and then usually I'll wait like maybe at the end or till December and get stocking stuffers. But I got 2 Barefoot Dreams throws. Everybody has raved about these. Every time I see, like at the holidays, I always see influencers raving about these, and I wanted to try them for myself. So I got 2 of them. I got this beautiful one. It's like a mauve and white. So this is going to be for me for Christmas. And this is going to be for my mom. It's blue and white. Blue is her favorite color. So I thought this is perfect. And I didn't want to get us the same color one. So just kind of a nice throw for when you're sitting on the sofa watching TV, or maybe if even in the car. I know sometimes she gets cold in the car. She can bring this in the car. These are machine washable. I'm not going to open them because I'm going to wrap them at Christmas. And I do, buy some stuff for myself and wrap at Christmas and put it under the tree just because, so for those of you who don't know, and I've mentioned this a bunch of times, my mom has Alzheimer's. So usually what she'll say is, buy yourself something, or, we'll go to the store together and she'll help pick something out for me, but she can't drive anymore. It's just hard for her. So usually, I'll like buy a few things and then, we both unwrap them. So, that's why I'm not opening this now, and I'm just going to save it for Christmas. So this, the original price of this is $148, and the anniversary price was $98.99. So, and again, I won't, I'm not going to open them now, but it gives the dimensions as 45 by 60. So not cheap, definitely not cheap for a throw. It's not even a full-size blanket, but everybody raves about Barefoot Dreams so much that I just wanted to try something from Barefoot Dreams. If they are as wonderful as everybody says, maybe next time there's an anniversary sale, I might get an actual blanket, like a full blanket, or maybe a cardigan. But I thought this was a nice way to try the brand. And we actually use throws like daily. I always throwing a throw on myself, whether it's because it's cold in the winter or the air conditioning. So this is just a great thing to have. So that is it. Nothing terribly exciting, but I just wanted to share. So as I said, I think the anniversary sale is still going on. If it is, and you wanted to try Barefoot Dreams, this would be a good time to do it. All right, thank you so much, everyone, and I'll see you next time.